A gaming PC differs from regular desktops with their beefed up processors, GPUs, and enhanced cooling systems. Most also have aesthetics that lend themselves towards gaming by incorporating RGB lighting and gaming design accents. But there's a lot to consider when selecting a gaming rig. So, how do you know which rig will work best for your gaming needs? Well, in this video, we break down the top 5 gaming PCs on the market this year, based on price, performance, and situations they'll be used in. We'll be taking a look at gaming PCs in every budget range. So, whether you're looking for a gaming PC for VR or the best gaming PC money can buy, we'll have an option for you. So if you're interested in finding out which gaming PC will be best for you, stay tuned. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. We'll start with the CyberPower PC Gamer Extreme VR Gaming PC, our choice for best gaming PC for the money. For around $800, the CyberPower PC Gamer Extreme VR Gaming PC is one of the best value gaming rigs available and stretches your gaming dollar with high performance components, fast memory, and it's also VR ready. The front panel of this gaming PC features an eye-catching trio of LED circles behind a perforated panel that creates an assertive design that makes it rather unique among what you'd typically find in pre-built gaming computers. All the internal components are housed in a Masterbox NR640 case that measures 18.8 by 8.2 by 18.6 inches and has a tempered glass side panel that shows the LED lit rear fan, cable work, and components on the inside, and gives you easy access to the frequently used ports for convenience when connecting your external peripherals. This gaming computer uses the latest generation of high-performance Intel Core processors and speedy DDR RAM to breeze through system-intensive tasks, including VR gaming. The Gamer Extreme VR has been tested to meet the requirements to support VR gaming for both the HTC Vive with Stream VR and Oculus Rift VR. For computing power, you get an Intel i5 10400F processor, an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 GPU with 6GB of memory on the card, 8GB of internal memory, and a 500GB solid-state drive for all your files, data, and apps. And built-in Wi-Fi gives you flawless wireless networking. Connectivity options include 6 USB 3.1 and 2 USB 2.0 ports and 1 RJ45 Ethernet port. The Gamer Extreme VR delivers 7.1 audio. However, you do need to add your own speakers. And if you prefer a multi-monitor setup, there's HDMI and DisplayPort to support that. A gaming keyboard and RGB7 color mouse combo is also added to the package, giving you even more added value. If you're looking for a gaming desktop that will give you great bang for the buck, the CyberPower PC Gamer Extreme VR Gaming PC is a solid choice that's also VR ready. Next, we'll take a look at the Alienware Aurora R10, our choice for best AMD gaming PC. The Alienware Aurora R10 is priced at around $1,350 and brings you AMD's powerful yet affordable Ryzen CPUs in a gaming PC that not only delivers brute strength when it comes to gaming, but also touts affordability, making it one of the best AMD gaming PCs available. The components installed in the Aurora R10 do all the talking. Kicking things off is the AMD Ryzen 7 3700X processor. It's an 8-core, 3.6 GHz mid-range CPU that does its job very competently. It's joined by the AMD RX 5700 XT GPU, 16GB of HyperX internal memory, and for storage, you get both a 512GB SSD and also a 1TB hard drive. If you want to squeeze more performance out of the Aurora R10, the Alienware Command Center includes an overclocking control module to control your system's performance. It also lets you manage your FX lighting zones, edit peripheral settings, and save new themes for each game. And to keep everything running cool, the Command Center also lets you monitor and edit your system's thermal profiles for performance-optimized airflow. The rear and top vents of the Aurora R10 work as an exhaust to keep temperatures in ideal ranges by removing heat from the system. The front and side vents simultaneously take in cool air to enable high performance and maintain system health. Connectivity options include several USB 2.0 and 3.1 ports distributed between the front and back panels, a headphone and mic jack, and several audio outputs including SPDIF digital outputs, a side surround output, a rear surround output, and a central subwoofer output. Video connections include HDMI and DisplayPort. For wireless networking, there's killer Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0. The Alienware Aurora R10 is a fantastic AMD gaming rig that delivers a lot of power and versatility, all at a price that remains quite affordable. Now we'll take a look at the Asus ROG Strix GA15, our choice for great all-rounder gaming PC. Priced at around $1,500, the Asus ROG Strix GA15 is a great all-rounder gaming PC that's designed inside and out for superior gameplay. The case is slick in its design, with some well-placed accents that enhance the overall aesthetic. You'll find a handle at the top which comes in useful for increasing the large PC's maneuverability. Under the handle are the top-facing ports, including a regular USB, a USB-C, and 3.5mm audio jacks, which are easy to access, particularly if the PC is kept on the floor. The power button's at the head of the RGB strip on the front of the machine. All in, the most visible part of the PC is neat and pleasing. At 1080p, this PC can provide blistering experiences, getting close to 60 frames per second. Everything from fast-paced esports to AAA masterpieces runs smooth as silk on the GA15. Under the hood, the components are assembled on an ROG BA50 motherboard. including an AMD Ryzen 7 3800X processor with a 32 MB cache and a clock speed of 4.5 GHz, an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 GPU with 8 GB of memory, and one HDMI and 3 DisplayPort connections on the card, 16 GB of internal memory, a 1 TB hard drive, and a 512 GB solid state drive. For connecting up your peripherals, you get one USB 3.2 Type A, one USB 3.2 Type C, one headphone jack, and one mic jack on the front panel. And on the back panel, there's four USB 3.2 Gen 1, two USB 3.2 Gen 2, one mic jack, one line out jack, one line in jack, one Ethernet jack, and one HDMI out. Wireless options include Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. If you're looking for a great all-rounder gaming PC, you should definitely consider the Asus ROG Strix GA15. Its NVIDIA GeForce graphics pumps out reliably high frame rates for fast and fluid gameplay, while a potent AMD Ryzen CPU gives you enough power to even handle creative work like streaming and video editing. If you're interested in updated pricing on any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. Prices update on these products almost daily with sales and general price drops, so if you want to find the most updated information, check the description. If you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving this video a like and tell us which product caught your eye in the comments below. This brings us to the Alienware Aurora R11, our choice for best overall gaming PC. If you're looking for one of the best overall gaming PCs, the Alienware Aurora R11 comes with powerful specs, including an RTX 3070 GPU, great otherworldly design, and is priced at around $2,400. While some PC gamers prefer to assemble a system using different components, a lot of people still rely on pre-built machines, and many turn to Dell's Alienware machines like the Aurora R11 as one of their first options. The Aurora R11 looks a lot different from your average gaming tower. While most PC towers rely on bold design with elements like transparent glass and RGB lighting, the Aurora R11 looks like it belongs on the set of a sci-fi movie. It has a tall, rounded design with an RGB halo ring on the front that illuminates, along with the Alienware symbol, and it can be controlled using the Alienware Command Center software. You'll get easy access to some of the more often used ports on the front panel, including 3 USB-A ports, a USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 port, and a headphone and mic jack. Around the back, you get a ton of USB-A ports, one USB-C port, one Ethernet, and optical audio. For CPU power, there's an Intel i7 10700KF processor with a clock speed of 3.8 GHz up to 5.1 GHz, an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 GPU with 8 GB flash memory, 16 GB of DDR4 RAM for good system fluidity, and a 512 GB SSD to store all your files. For fast wireless networking, there's killer Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1. The R11 also gives you the ability to access nearly every part of the PC without tools, which is a definite plus. It makes upgrades and maintenance a whole lot easier. If you're looking for an exceptional gaming PC, the Alienware Aurora R11 is a top premium gaming rig, packed with powerful hardware that will give you trouble-free setup and an outstanding gaming experience that's hard to beat. Last, we'll take a look at the Dell G5, our choice for best budget gaming PC. Now, if you're shopping on a limited budget and you want to save a bit of money without cutting too many corners, the Dell G5 is one of the best budget gaming PCs on the market and is priced at around $650. The bold diagonal LED strip and geometric zigzag pattern on the front panel definitely don't scream budget PC, and the window cutout on the left side that shows all the internal hardware lit up conjures up more of a premium gaming look. It's also much smaller than most people think. At less than 15 inches tall and just 17 pounds, it's portable enough to take to tournaments or over to your friend's house. On the inside, an Intel i3 10100 processor is paired with an AMD Radeon RX 5300 GPU that will give you plenty of power for gaming at full HD resolution. 8 GB of RAM make sure that you get good frame rate and pacing when playing games, and for internal storage, a 1 TB hard drive will save all your files, apps, and data. There's a lot of connectivity options too. On the front, you'll get several easy-to-access ports including a mic jack, a headphone jack, two USB 2.0 ports, a USB 3.1 port, and a USB Type-C port. On the back, there's a front left and right audio surround line out and audio input jack, a center line out, a super speed USB 3.1 port, an RJ45 Ethernet port, two more USB 2.0 ports, and an HDMI port. For a few more bucks, you can modify the configuration to suit your taste, or in the future, you can swap out and upgrade the CPU, GPU, and RAM as your needs change. Wireless networking options include killer Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1. If you're looking for a gaming rig that will give you enough power to play most modern games while keeping expenses under budget, the Dell G5 gaming desktop would be a good choice for you, and definitely worth looking into. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now. So if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon for the next video.